Hello ladies and gentlemen, recently I made a video in which I told you safest place to live during World War III. But behind me I have written something countries that can start World War III. Yes. So, who are that countries which would start that World War III? And disclaimer is that these all things are my own, and I made some possibilities with some past relative and also with some future and also with some conspiracy theory. So don't take it that much bad, and I don't want to hurt anyone. So let's start our presentation. So as we can see, I would tell you four pair of countries who can start the World War III. So the first pair of country is, can you guess? First name is India. Yes. Second name is Pakistan. Yes. I'm not saying they would definitely fight, but I'm saying with some hateness between these two countries in some citizens, in some people, because of them they could start a World War III, and in the future there might be a chance because of Kashmir or something else they would fight with each other. I don't know, but there might be a chance they could start the World War III in the future, and that was the reason that shows that India Pakistan can start the World War III. Now, it's a quite shocking, but India has also second name in World War III. Yes. Can you guess the new country? Not new country, it's also a country which is also in our neighborhood. Yes, I am talking about China. Yes, I'm talking about the China, because also in past they covered too much of area, and in the future there might be a chance they would prepare something for us to fight with us, and who knows that they would start a World War III between them. So these two countries, India and China, they could start World War III because of their past and because of their present. But now coming towards to remaining two countries, which is, can you guess, is Russia versus Ukraine. Russia versus Ukraine. Because in the present their fight is happening, as we all know. But in the future, how much it would take to they would fight, how much they would fight, we don't know. And there might be a chance they would fight more. They would not fight. Who knows that? But there are 50% chance they would start the World War III according to the ChatGPT. And now coming towards to our conclusion, why they would start, because of their present only, because because they both are fighting to each other because of some land, and that's the reason they could start the World War III. Now coming towards to our last country, these two countries are smaller than are India, but they also are good in military, they also are good in education and technology. Yes, I'm talking about first country as Korea. Yes, South Korea. South Korea is a country which we all know, known for their K-dramas, known for their technology, known for their medals, and many more things the South Korea is known for. Now, the opponent of South Korea, none other than is North Korea. Because the reason behind that, it's nearby the border. Suppose I would show you. This is the border of North Korea and South Korea. In that the people here and people here, they usually do simple thing, make some balloons, helium balloons, and send it to South Korea or North Korea. In that balloons they tie some kind of polythenes, and in that, and they write some, and they put some dung of cow, the dung of animals, and sometimes the abusing word they also give to the both countries give to each other. That's why they can start the World War III, and they also suffer from many issues of their relations, and also the point of ideology between them is not good. Talking about their present, they all are doing this. In the past they also fought many times, and these all are the countries who could start the World War III. Now, coming towards to the question, the ending question, I have made a question for you all. Can you tell me the fifth pair of country who can start the World War III? Tell me in the comments, and this all over is my own experience and my own theories. Thank you for listening this side your friend.
We are not spreading fake news.
Yes, we are not spreading the fake news. We don't want to hurt anyone. So these all things reported, and I told everything from ChatGPT and some informations which I got in the social media and some places. So this all for today. Thank you for listening. Comment down what is the fifth country pair.
We are totally against our war.
Yes, we all are totally against a war. We all are peacemakers. We like to live in the peace. But I am just sharing some my own points and my own theories that could be real or fake. I don't know. But I am just sharing to you. Thank you for listening. This side your friend. You will like, share, subscribe.